Hey everyone, it's Steph here from The Dietologist. So I'm really excited because I have finally received the Omega-3 Index Basic Test from Omega Quant. Now, I am so excited that these have finally arrived because I'll now be able to see whether your diet and lifestyle and supplement regime is really working for you when it comes to your omega-3 status in your blood. So this test is just an easy finger prick like you would for a blood glucose if you had diabetes, and you spot it onto a piece of paper, package it up, post it back to the lab, and within 2 to 4 weeks you'll have your result. Now this test is actually testing for EPA and DHA, so those marine omega-3s in the red blood cells, and we know that there's an optimal range for general health. But beyond general health, we also know that this nutrient is really important for fertility, for egg health, for maintaining a healthy pregnancy and developing baby's brain, preventing early labor, managing cholesterol levels. We know it's important in endometriosis and managing period pain, and we also know it's important in PCOS, with omega-3s being shown to be critical in improving insulin resistance as well. So there's a lot of different people that could be getting a hold of this test. Now I do have 10 for a limited time. I'm offering it for $50 plus postage and handling if you're going to get it mailed out to you, and you'll get your result back, and we will then be able to formulate a bit of a plan for you about your omega-3s in your diet and also appropriate supplementation, and then you can retest in 4 to 6 months to see if it's worked. So I'm so excited to have this measurable tool to help you all improve your omega-3 status, which we know is so important for different aspects of women's health, fertility and pregnancy as well. So if you are keen to jump on board and grab one of these 10 test kits at the low price, like I said, I only have 10. So if you're a new or existing client, please get in touch with me to discuss about the omega-3 testing kit before I promote the offer elsewhere as well. So I am so excited. I think I'm going to do one for myself so I can see how I stack up with omega-3s, and also give you guys a bit of an insight into the experience of doing the test and how easy or difficult it is. Until next time everyone, I will see you on socials or in clinic.